Alright guys, just picked up this JVC stereo at Best Buy. It's only about 170 bucks. Touchscreen, which is nice. I'm just gonna unbox it real quick. Some screws, wires, harness, which I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna show you how to solder it up to a Ford Ranger harness that you also could buy from Best Buy, but people that stole my stereo forgot that, so I still have it. Yeah, let's take a look at this thing. It's got a piece of tape on there. This time I will be recording the serial number in case it gets stolen again, which wouldn't be surprising. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's got the buttons, it's got a USB port down here in the bottom right corner. We'll show you more about it here in a second. I'm just going to solder up these wires real quick. And yep, be right back. Alright, so I got the stereo harness here. And then I got the Ranger's harness, or whatever plugs into the harness there, whatever you want to call it. But I just gotta solder these wires together. I got my soldering iron, gonna start heating that up now, and then I got right here on the instructions exactly what wires go to which wires. So we'll figure that out. But I'm gonna start off by, cleaning these up because this is just a mess. When I installed the stereo the first time, I didn't have the proper tools, so it was just however it worked, whatever worked pretty much. So just gonna cut all these off and restrip them real quick. This might take a while, so I'm probably gonna fast forward through this part. two rear speakers were never installed in the truck when I bought it, so they're not connected to the harness. So I ran my own wires from the rear speakers. So I'm just going to connect these in the truck to the wires that I have already ran to them. And then I'll probably just cut this off and put a piece of heat shrink over it to protect it. But I'll do that here in a second. Hey, can you bring me my truck keys? I forgot them.
Yeah. Where are they?
Probably on the desk or somewhere. I don't know.
Okay.
Thanks. Alright, so we're just gonna plug it in, test it, make sure the front speakers work. Because, like I said, these are for the rear. This is the rear left, and these two are for the rear right. So we're just gonna plug everything in and see if it turns on and all that stuff. I got that right. Maybe like that. No, it doesn't work, so yep. We'll just kind of pull these out of the way. Make sure they don't touch anything. Be nice to have it all wired into the harness. Probably could, but kind of lazy. And then we will plug this into here. I'll kind of prop it up like so, just so you guys can see it. So it turns out she didn't have I didn't leave my keys up there. They're actually in my toolbox still, which was a dumbass mistake right there. So we're just gonna turn her on, make sure nothing else is touching, see if it lights up, you know, does its thing, see if sound works, whatever. Maybe. Maybe not. Must have done something wrong. But I'm gonna throw this in the video too, because never wired one of these stereos up. Maybe it has to be grounded. Doubt it. Oh, I guess it does. So yeah, I guess we'll go throw this into the center console piece there and come back out and plug everything in and see what happens then. Alright, well, so here goes round two. I got it mounted in there pretty good. I got it grounded there. All of the wires are connected except for the rear speakers. So here goes nothing. Wish me luck, because hope it works. Should just work when I turn on the power. Maybe. Maybe not. Start it maybe? Nothing. Well, back to step one then. All right, round three, take 5, whatever. So we got it better grounded. I just grabbed a bolt and nut and washer. And just because it worked when I touched it on this side, I'm not sure if this was good enough. We're just gonna try it again real quick, you know. Oh, there it is. So just not good enough of a ground, I guess. We got lights. Here we go. Initial settings. Rear camera. I don't have one of those, but you could get one now. Okay, so let's try this out. I know I can't play any music. This is copyright or something like that. So we're just gonna turn you off, and I'll let you know if it works or not. All right, guys. So it's all hooked up now. It's finally done. It's not looking too bad, honestly. I hope you can see myself. What's up? That's the only time you'll ever see me. But yeah, so these wires are for the rear speakers and aren't hooked up yet. I don't even have it screwed in yet, but I'm not sure what that hole was ever for. It was there when I bought the truck, if you guys were wondering. But yeah, so I took this thing off-roading yesterday, and it was pretty good. Nice and smooth, nothing broke, so that's a plus there. I didn't go too hard because I didn't have anybody else to pull me out, and my tires are bald. But yeah, I think that wraps up this video. So go ahead, subscribe, like the video if you want to see more, and comment what you want to see me do, because I'll pretty much do anything as long as I can afford it.